In 2007, Professor Randy Pausch delivered a moving presentation titled The Last Lecture. Diagnosed with terminal cancer, Pausch chose to focus on life's lessons. He emphasized achieving childhood dreams and overcoming obstacles. He called these obstacles brick walls. They are not there to stop us, he argued. Instead, they are there to test our commitment. Pausch's message resonated deeply with millions. He reminded us that life is full of challenges. How we approach these challenges defines us. Do we let setbacks defeat us? Or do we find the strength to push forward? Pausch's own life was a testament to resilience. He achieved success in computer science, virtual reality, and human-computer interaction. He faced his illness with courage and grace. His message continues to inspire us to embrace challenges. We can view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Life is a journey, not a straight line. We all encounter obstacles along the way. These brick walls can take many forms. They might be career setbacks, like job loss or a business failure. They might be personal struggles, like illness or relationship problems. Sometimes they are internal challenges, like self-doubt or fear of failure. We all experience these obstacles differently. What feels like a minor setback to one person might feel insurmountable to another. Our backgrounds, personalities, and support systems all play a role. But no matter who we are, we all face challenges. It is how we respond to these challenges that truly matters. These brick walls can be daunting. They can make us question our abilities and our purpose. But they can also be opportunities. They can teach us valuable lessons about ourselves. They can help us develop resilience, determination, and problem-solving skills. The brick wall mindset is about shifting our perspective. It's about seeing obstacles not as roadblocks, but as detours. Brick walls are not there to stop us permanently. They are there to test our resolve. They force us to reevaluate our goals, to find creative solutions, and to develop our inner strength. This mindset is not about ignoring the difficulty of the challenge. It's about acknowledging the difficulty while choosing to focus on the opportunity within the obstacle. It's about asking ourselves, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? Adopting the brick wall mindset requires courage and a willingness to embrace discomfort. It means stepping outside of our comfort zones and pushing ourselves beyond what we thought possible. It means reframing failure as a stepping stone to success. Real-life brick walls. Stories of overcoming adversity. History is full of individuals who faced seemingly insurmountable obstacles and emerged stronger. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who overcame personal and professional setbacks to become one of the best-selling authors of all time. Her manuscript for Harry Potter was rejected by over a dozen publishers before finding a home. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, faced a challenging childhood marked by poverty and abuse. She channeled her experiences into a successful career, becoming a powerful voice for empowerment and resilience. These are just two examples of countless individuals who have embraced the brick wall mindset. They refuse to let setbacks define them. Instead, they use their experiences as fuel for growth and achievement. Their stories remind us that we all have the potential for greatness. The power of persistence. Lessons from inspirational leaders. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. These words, spoken by Steve Jobs, highlight the importance of passion in overcoming obstacles. When we are passionate about our goals, we are more likely to persevere through challenges. Nelson Mandela, a symbol of resilience and forgiveness, once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." His words remind us that even the most daunting tasks can be accomplished with persistence and determination. These leaders, from different backgrounds and fields, all shared a common trait, an unwavering belief in their ability to overcome adversity. Their words and actions serve as a powerful reminder that with grit and determination, we can achieve anything we set our minds to.